What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. I have a lot of fire alarms, and this is my new and improved. If you saw my other video, you would know the answers to this. So yeah, you will know the answers. Something different I added though is this key holder for all my keys, for all the fire alarms. So basically, let's look at the wiring back here. There's a ton of wiring. So basically, you guys have one chance to guess which fire alarm sets off the siren. And I'm just gonna say that, like, this one, or this one, or those could set off a fire alarm. And yeah, I'm just saying, multiple are set up though. Though, yeah, let's get to it. So first, let's start off with these four. So pick one out of those four. Pick one, and then if you guys have got it, I'm gonna go through them all, put them all, and subscribe if you got one on this side, and then from here, like if you got that one, and then do both if you got these three. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull them. One. I got reset. Oh. None of them were activated. Do you know what that means? It probably means that, oh dang. I gotta find my right key. Okay. It's hard to do this with one hand. Okay. Dang it! Why can't I stop dropping the keys? Okay, hold on. Okay, I gotta find the right key. It's pretty hard to find the right key, especially with one hand. Oh, dang it. Okay. The Simplex key is probably gonna be easier to find. So I just need to look for the letter B. Cat 30. Oh, here it is. Okay. Okay, and this one is super easy. Because that key is so simple. I will be pulling this. But, yeah, I gotta find the key. Oh, geez. I don't know if this was, like, a improvement or a disadvantage. Okay, I'm gonna pull it. If it sets off the siren, it sets off the siren. Oh, it set it off. Okay, well, now I have to reset that. I'll just tell you guys something, though. So, basically, what I did, good job to SCR Safety, though, because, well, props to him, because he was the one who taught me how to do this. Basically what I'm doing is that since there's multiple ones that are going to go off, I have all that wiring was, I'm sharing the circuits. So, yeah. And then for this portion of it, I gotta get my keys. Actually, yes, I do need this one. I'm just gonna pull this one first. I'm just gonna. There we go. Do this. Okay, that one wasn't it. Now, where's my firelight? Okay, here it is. So that wasn't it either. Okay. And then this one. Oh, that wasn't it either. Oh. By the way, I have 4 of them wired up. And by the way, I'm not trying to just do this stuff, all that stuff. Okay, let's get this one. Oh! It wasn't it. So that means that it's these 3. So just pick one, anyone. It doesn't matter. And yeah. So in this state, we're all winners. So like, it's not. You guys are all gonna be winners because it's not. I don't know. So these 3 are wired up to the side. So just need to find my Simplex B key. Here it is. Do you guys want me to key activate it or pull activate it? Since it's pretty boring to just key activate it, I'm gonna pull it. And it goes off. Okay. Now, here it is. Is this the right key? Yes, it is. This is a MS6. Pretty new on my channel, but not too new. You just pull like that. And then to reset it, you reset it like a BG-8. And then, oh geez, I have a ton of these keys that are coming off. So this one now. So yep, there we go. That's all of them. So I will show you what I mean by like I wired it. So here's all of it. Here's all the wiring. So what I have here is I have these 2 connect. You just need 1 black wire and 1 red wire. And of course, if these touch, I got a dog right now, right here, right now. I gotta. Oh, geez. Dog wants to join in on the firearms. So I have 2 wires from this connected there, 2 wires from this connected there, and 2 wires from that. Then it's connected to there. It looks pretty messy. And I have all this running on 1 9-volt battery. So yeah. So yeah, that's what I have it running on. And so I guess this is it for this video. So I guess 6 field. Bye guys.